Hi guys, my name is Tricelle and I'm an adult dog collector and I love all things 1/6 scale and I love miniatures and I especially love Barbie. So today I am going to be taking a look at the C.F.R. Surprise Mini Brands Create Garden Edition. I was really excited to take a look at these capsules. I found these at Target for $9.99. I only got the one capsule because when I was looking at the display in the store, the scale seemed rather large. So without further ado, let's open this capsule up and get right into it. So you do get, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 3 bags and magic UV glue, and then the little planter or garden pot. So there are 5 surprises. Let's take a look at the collector's guide. Okay, so these right here are the ultra rare, the super exclusives. So here are the common items that you can get, and I really love that pink calla lily flower. I would really love to get that one if possible. And then you have the instructions on how to put all the items together. It's pretty straightforward, and just be mindful if you're using that UV glue, sit it out in the sun for 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, we have the warnings because of that UV glue, so just be sure to read over this so you understand the risks that are involved, and they do have multiple languages. Oh, maybe I was wrong. This is not a pot at all. See, it goes to show you, start assuming. So we have this here. And then of course we have the UV glue. And in this bag I have this. I'm always dropping something. So we get a lot of different plants. And then let's see. In this we get, oh, it looks like the fake dirt, and we get this here and some fake dirt. Yeah, so I do think I got the little planter. So I'm thinking I got this one right here, which I would have liked to have gotten this one if I was able to pick. Obviously I'm not. Or any of the other plants. Okay, yeah, so I'm glad I only got one capsule. And this, oh, we have more items to go in the little planter. All right, let's try to put this together. Oh, and actually it does give it away. It told me right here what I was getting. Although I didn't see that. Oh, it does come with a little garden hose too right here. So we get 2 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these here, 2 of these, 1 of these, and then whatever these are. And then we're supposed to put it together like so. So let me try to see if I can put this together. You know what? I think I got 2. Okay, wait a minute. This is kind of cool. So here it is, how it's coming out so far. And it even has this snail here, which is interesting. Okay, interesting. So I did get an extra plant, and it's the one, it looked like the cacti along with the orange cacti piece on top, so I'm gonna put that together. So everything snaps in place for convenience, so you don't even need the UV glue if you don't want to use it. And I'm pretty satisfied with this, and I'm happy that I actually got 2 plants in this capsule. So here we have this all right here, and then we just take this part and put it on top like this, and then like this. So it's like an indoor little planter aquarium, which is kind of cute. I guess I'm not mad now that I got 2 things. Now I did find these bottles here at Target. It was in the bullseye section, the bullseye value section. So these were $1 a piece. And they're basically novelty straw covers, which are really cute. You could use them for that, but I thought I would just use these for my dioramas here. So you just cut the little ends off, and then you're able to, you know, use them in your dioramas. I thought this was really cute for only $1. So there you have it, Mini Brands Create Garden Edition. I'm actually really pleased with what I received today, although I do wish that price was just a little bit cheaper. I would like to see these capsules on sale, and then I'm happy to get some more to explore more possibilities. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss. Until the next time, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.